Today we're taking our first trip on our new to us Formosa 51. Toby, Eric, and I have been looking forward to this day since we bought the boat. We decided to start exploring the lower Sassafras River, which is part of the Upper Chesapeake Bay. This area quickly became one of our favorite places. The shoreline here is mostly undeveloped, which makes it feel calm and open compared to the busier parts of the bay. We like that the banks are easy to get to and actually walkable. It's nice to be able to drop anchor, go ashore, stretch our legs, and explore without feeling like we're trespassing or crowding into a marina. The river itself is wide and peaceful, and it's an easy place to get comfortable with our bigger boat. We spent most of the days just moving around slowly, taking in the views, and enjoying the feeling of having the space around us. There's plenty of wildlife, lots of trees along the banks, and a sense that you're away from the noise and the rush of everything else. This shakedown cruise has reminded us of why we love this place, why we love sailing, and why we're looking forward to the beginning of a new exciting adventure on our Formosa 51.
I'll get you. Toby's getting it in. Go, go, go. Toby's trying to attack me. Get him, boy. Done. That's it. Toby's don't like this wood. He's got a problem with his log. Get it, boy. Get him. Get him. Get him, boy. Who is it? Not sure what it is. Get him, boy. Oh, false alarm. Just a piece of wood. Get it. Get it, boy. Well, this is the beach along the Sassafras River. Nice morning for a walk. Tara's getting in her push-ups and pull-ups on the trees. Toves is barking at the logs. We found a road here. We're gonna see where it goes. That's what's good about down here.
Oh my gosh, I just caught this monster catfish. This sucker. No, he's way more than that.
No, he's about 3 foot.
No. Do you not know how to measure? He is way more than 3 foot. He's like 4.
I'm gonna try to reach out and get my hand in his mouth.
That is the biggest catfish I ever saw.
I never seen one.
I've never seen one.
That might be some kind of record.
It literally almost ripped my hand off.
I think we got that scale.
I know.
Where's that at?
Inside?
Yeah.
Okay. To be continued.
Yesterday was a wash. We had a gale warning, so we just anchored up and watched movies all day. Today is small craft advisory, 20 to 25. It's probably blowing 10 to 15. We got T-Swizz at the helm. They got her new Haley Henson's on. Where'd you get them at? I got them for her birthday. There's Tobes. Tobes hasn't pissed or shit in
2 days.
2 days. We're trying to teach him to poop on the boat, piss on the boat. We actually took him up to the mast and lifted his leg and squeezed his belly, and he still didn't go. Rubbed his belly, lifted his leg, I lifted his tail. Kept telling him, you got the bag out, get the collar out on him. Still he won't go. So we're wing on wing, kinda. I don't have, my main sheet's not long enough, and the boom gallows are in the way. So we have to get rid of these boom gallows and put them behind the Traveler so you can run. And so that's one thing. And my main sheet is not long enough. I got a 3-to-1 purchase, I believe that is. So you can see they're breaking over the boom gallows. It's not good for the gallows for anything. And the staysail's on a self-tacking boom, which I've never sailed with one. I'm not really a fan of it. You can't really trim the sails very well with it. unless I just haven't figured it out yet. But I'll probably end up getting rid of that and put 2 furlers up front. Right now they're hank on, which means you have to go up there and manually raise and lower the sail, which for me is a safety concern. So that's it. We're just farting around. We're going to ride around, see if we can get Tobes a poop, and see what we can do today. Working out the kinks. Well, we lost the steering. We got no steering right now, but we got the rudder locked straight. So we're gonna go straight up to here, and then we're gonna let the wind blow us back. So the wind is coming from where we're going, so we can't sail there because, of course, the wind's always coming from where you gotta go. Toads don't like the storm. What are you doing in there? So after the rudder situation, we drifted up here, back up in the sassafras, and this is what we did. You got Toads got a little room there, but just like a house. So we got stand-up shower, full-size shower. We got Starlink now, so we just sit here and do nothing useful, just watch movies and sweat. And Tara makes cookies.
Sometimes I don't make the cookies.
Sometimes we just eat the batter because we're fat slobs. But we make cookies. And so we didn't let the rudder ruin the trip, so we just hang out here in Sassafras. But this is the boat. And this is what we got. There's the bed. And then we wake up there with the sun coming up. And so that's it. So when we need to go in, we'll call a towboat, and they will push us into our slip. But in the meantime, it's cookies and TV. Starlink is awesome. Recording. All right, we got this thing, 360 thing.
Does it record sound?
I think so. We're gonna check it out. We're at anchor, and we are swimming off the bow. Baby, so you can do a backflip. I don't know. People go like this with it and stuff. All right, see what you got. Backflip, front flip. Swimming in Chesapeake Bay. Last trip of the year, last swim of the year.
This is pretty hard.
Oh, get real. Grow up. You can see we got a little bit of a diving board up here, which is pretty cool. Go ahead. Jump it. Babe.
He's probably gonna snap at it. Uh-oh.
What is that? Who's that?
So this is what we got going on.